there are I genuinely am out of adjectives, out of, you know, if you want to give some sort of words, or you want to state how a person performs in football, you have some sort of words that you give to players, but I am running out of words because at this he's 17, 17 साल का है, he's just 17 or maybe 18, he's not even 20 right now, he's not even 21. I मैं ग्लेज करता रह जाऊंगा, घंटा भर निकल जाएगा, इट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज he has the end product as well. He has the end product as well. I'm not going to tell you he's just like, you know, showboating merchant है, skills करेगा, highlight reels बना के छोड़ देगा. He has the end product as well. Come to think of it, how many players have had the showboating and the end product? Neymar, Messi, Ronaldo. How many? Think of it. Eden Hazard, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. ठीक है थे प्लेयर्स, थे डीनियो, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, देयर हैव बीन प्लेयर्स, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक, देयर हैव बीन प्लेयर्स, बट टू डू इट एट दैट एज, एट दैट लेवल, in a UCL semi-final against the most defensive side in the world, potentially in the world right now, in the most defensive side, and that too when you're 2-0 down. It's not at all, I'm not going to even say it's not at all easy. It is 99% chances में, 99% scenarios में it does not even happen. It's not possible. But then think of it, when you have a team like Barca, when you have a team like Barca where you have players like Rafinha, when you have players like Pedri, Frankie De Jong, who are constantly trying to take the ball, rotate, go up, and like, you know, keep the game flowing. आज के गेम का टेम्पो अगर किसी ने नोटिस किया होगा, नॉट मेनी पीपल नोटिस दिस, बट आज के गेम में जिस हिसाब से बॉल का टेम्पो था, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स बारसा के पास पोजीशन थी, आई एग्री, बट the game was only, you know, stopped for maybe a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, max to max, not even more than that, max to max. इसीलिए फर्स्ट हाफ में एक्स्ट्रा टाइम 2 मिनट, सेकेंड हाफ में एक्स्ट्रा टाइम 3 मिनट, not more than that, because game was constant, continuous, fast flowing game थी, and we could see why it was fast flowing. Goals हर तरफ से आ रहे थे, पिंग पोंग बैटल था, and all the props to Inter Milan, because इंटर मिलान ने एक ही टैक्टिक रखा था दिमाग में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाई लाइन को अगर एक्सप्लॉइट करना है तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव प्लेयर्स हु आर रनिंग फ्रॉम डीप. अगर इन बिहाइंड रन्स निकाल रहे हो, दो प्लेयर्स के पीछे से रन निकाल रहे हो, यू कैन सम हाउ ब्रेक द, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इन ऑल सिनारियो, और मे बी हर केस में ऐसा नहीं होता, बट मेनी टाइम्स यू विल फाइंड प्लेयर्स हु विल रन पीछे से, एंड दे विल, you know, not be caught offside, and that is what we saw today. 3 4 5 occasions पे मैंने खुद ने ये बात समझी, हाँ, this is the way that they can approach to the, like, you know, the second leg, this is the way they will approach, this is what we need to learn. Hansi Flick अगर यहाँ पर होगा, Hansi Flick wants to, you know, notice what was the flaws, he will see, हाँ, ये this was wrong, this is where we need to improve. But that is also one thing that I will give the props to Araujo, because Marcus Thuram को अगर कोई player, like, you know, संभाल सकता है, अगर कोई player उसको physically match कर सकता है, it is Ronald Araujo, obviously. Although on the ball he's not as good, off the ball उसके पास physicality है, and we saw when he came on, we saw that हाँ, अब Inter Milan is having a difficult time. But what I would like to say was, first of all, Andreas Christensen comes back after 40 years, still plays like he is a Rolls-Royce defender. Too good. Then again, we need to give him some time. But guys, I talked to you about this in the last video. मैंने last video में पूछा था, जिस दिन offside trap नहीं चलेगा, what is plan B? Plan B क्या है? This is, I believe, even though it's a very high risk and high reward kind of scene, it's ये scene पे we can only expect कि हाँ, अगर risk हो रहा है, reward मिल सकता है, नहीं मिल सकता है, happens, not, it's like that. But the way that Barca approached this game, being 2-0 down, it's not easy to do that against the most defensive side in the world. Come to think of it, Barca ये गेम में एंटर करी, उनके पास XG था 1.3 का, 1.3 के XG पे 3 गोल्स ठोक दिए. ऑल्टरनेटिवली इंटर मिलान का XG था 0.9, 0.9 के XG पे 3 गोल ठोक दिए. ऑब्वियसली यू आर फेसिंग बारसा, दे आर गोइंग टू बी प्लेइंग अ वेरी हाई लाइन, यू कैन एक्सप्लॉइट इट. बट इफ यू थिंक रियल मैड्रिड डज इट, ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. इफ यू थिंक टीम्स लाइक, you know, You could think teams like PSG do it. Okay, ठीक है, attacking teams है, obviously they will try to exploit the highlight. But this is where I understood what is wrong, not wrong, but what could be the triggering factor to defeating Barca. हांजी फ्लिक ने इस बारसा साइड को जिस हिसाब से मोल्ड किया है, जिस हिसाब से शेप किया है, आई थिंक what he has tried to do with this team is he has tried to make this team so effectively, you know, competent or effectively effective against high scoring teams. Real Madrid, high good attackers, Mbappe, Vini, good attackers, PSG. Although they haven't faced PSG, but then I believe that is going to be the outcome if they do. Because think about it, whenever this team has been facing defensive sides, Atletico Madrid, they have been getting, you know, goals conceded kar rahi hai. That means the only way you can take this Barca side down, or at least try to take them down, is by the fact that you have to be playing a deep game, deep block, low block खेलना ज़रूरी है, because only then will your strikers be able to, you know, make in behind runs. ऑफसाइड ट्रैप कैसे ब्रेक करोगे? बाय मेकिंग रन्स इन बिहाइंड, डिफेंडर के पीछे से रन्स निकाल के यू विल हैव टू, यू नो, एक लॉन्ग बॉल दे दी, 2 लॉन्ग बॉल, बट देन दैट इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी रिस्की गेम, बिकॉज अगर बारसा 70% ऑफ द गेम पोजीशन रखेगी, देन व्हेन विल यू डू इट? ओके, ऑब्वियसली इंटर मिलान डिड इट, लाइक यू नो, काउंटलेस टाइम्स आज किया, एंड दे गॉट द रिजल्ट्स फॉर इट. बट बारसा का 2 ही वीकनेस दिखा इस गेम में, वॉज द फैक्ट दैट हाँ, यू हैव टू बी, you know, you have to have a proper sense of how you're going to approach this game with a high line, because Hansi Flick is not going to give up his high line. That is his do or die tactic. He's not going to give it up. But I think what you do as a counter effect for that is try to make your team defensively competent on set pieces. आज 2 goal set pieces से concede किए, and that is what I want to say. हाँ, this is where we are lacking. Because Szczesny, even though he's such तगड़ा मुश्कंडा है भाई, चौड़ा है, he's too good in the air, he's too good like, you know, ball handling में अच्छा player है, we've seen him, but for some reason he's a bit, you know, iffy when it comes to making a decision towards the ball. अगर ball, आज का second goal डम्फ्रीज का header, you could see he was iffy on going forward then coming back. पीछे आते टाइम बैक फुट पे था, जंप मार नहीं पाया, बॉल पीछे चले गए. You could see why this team conceded many goals. It was not because of the fact that they were getting caught, you know, offside trap की वजह से. It's not that. Was offside trap पे attack हुए, but Barca was recovering defensively. It is because इंटर मिलान ने प्लान बी भी बनाया था कि हाँ, अगर offside trap से नहीं हुआ तो we will have to try to do something else, and that was set piece. Obviously, you can't approach Barca ऐसे. Transitions में they were good, no doubt they were too good, but then बारसा ऑन द अदर हैंड, आई बिलीव अगर इस टीम को एक ही तरह है इस टीम को रोक सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज बाय, यू नो, लिटरली हैविंग 7 मैन ऑन योर डिफेंस, एंड इवन देन आई वुडंट बी सरप्राइज्ड इफ दे कम आउट विद अ गोल, बिकॉज आज इंटर मिलान ने, यू कैन सी इन दिस मोमेंट, ये मोमेंट में यू कैन सी इस मोमेंट में यू अंडरस्टूड, even though they have a deep block, even though low block खेल रही है, बारसा 3 गोल निकाल चुकी है. I have said this before, there have been major changes in their attacking system this season. Outside the box कितने shots ले रही है, आज total 22 या 21 shots थे, जिसमें से 11 shots in the box, 9 shots outside the box. You can see every time Hansi Flick wants his team to keep scoring at least somehow. So I believe ये टीम इज रेडी. रफीनिया का शॉट, इट वॉज नॉट अ गोल स्कोरिंग चांस, बट समहाउ फ्रॉम अ कॉर्नर लामिन यमाल डमी छोड़ के रफीनिया आउटसाइड द बॉक्स, ही डिड इट अगेन, बट यान सोमर ओवर परफॉर्म किया आज. यान सोमर आज एक ब्रिलियंट कीपर के वजह से इंटर मिलान बच गया, बिकॉज दे कुड हैव कंसीडर्ड 2 more, maybe 3 more, but then because Jan Sommer outperformed, they were saved. That is what I can take from Inter Milan's defensive standpoint. Jan Sommer overperform कर चुका था, डेंजल डम्फ्रीज overperform कर चुका है, इसीलिए 2 गोल ठोक दिया. I think the only thing that can, you know, Barca can only learn from this is the fact that हाँ, we have faults, but then they are recovering those faults by scoring more goals. And also second leg mein we will have Balde, we will have, most probably we'll have Leva. So I think that is one way of looking, because Ferran Torres, even though he was too good today, we could see his positioning was not as brilliant as Lewandowski. But I think Barca has done, I would say, at least a 9 out of 10 job without Leva this season. Like, you know, we could see how Barca could tactically handle teams like this, low block teams like this, without Lewandowski. Then again, downsides bhi the. Dani Olmo, not a very good game. I could say even, you know, Inigo Martinez, he was too good, solid defensively. But then if you are supposed to be solid defensively, then you wouldn't concede 3 goals. ठीक है, understood, होता है. But then it was a home game, so we would have loved to come out with a victory. But you can't always have it, like, you know, हर बार नहीं होता. So I think second leg we will have to see some changes in these regards, or else it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad, guys. That's all I have to say. Because when you go to San Siro, their crowd is, it's not a timid crowd. It's not a very, you know, shy or dissociative crowd. They will try to, you know, they will try to intimidate you. They will try to attack you. They will try to, you know, distract you. They will try to do things. So all in all, this was the main focus on tonight's game. Also, guys, Lamine Yamal, anomaly. He's an anomaly. That's all. That is all. He's an anomaly.